Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried chicken using eggs and flour, step by step. First, it is crucial to prepare your chicken properly. Make sure to clean and pat each piece completely dry. This helps the seasoning and coating adhere better. Next, set up your dredging stations with flour, beaten eggs, and more seasoned flour. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's get to the heart of the flavor. Begin by seasoning your chicken pieces generously with your favorite spices, like salt, black pepper, and paprika. For the perfect crispy coating, first dredge each piece in the initial seasoned flour, ensuring it's fully covered. Then, dip it into the beaten eggs, allowing the egg to act as a binder. Finally, give it a thorough coating in the second batch of seasoned flour, pressing gently to ensure maximum coverage. With your chicken perfectly coated, it's time to fry. Heat about 3 to 4 inches of your preferred cooking oil in a sturdy pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few chicken pieces into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot, which can lower the oil temperature. Fry each side for approximately 6 to 8 minutes, or until it reaches a beautiful golden brown color and is cooked through. Consistency and oil temperature is key for even results. Once your chicken is perfectly fried, carefully remove it from the oil and place it on a wire rack set over a baking sheet. This allows any excess oil to drain off, keeping your chicken wonderfully crispy. It's important to let the chicken rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes before serving. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. Enjoy your amazing homemade fried chicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.